Before you develop a program, Java needs to know what data are you going to be working with. For example, are you going to work with numbers like decimals or integers? Or are you going to be working with string, which is a set of characters? Or are you going to be working with arrays, which is a way to store a value? Or are you going to be working with a combination of all data? Once you figure out what data you are going to be working with, you then need to declare it. For example, I will declare to Java that I'm going to work with 3 data. Now, double is used for working out decimals, int is used for working out whole numbers, string is used to represent a set of characters. You then need to name a variable for the data. The variable saves the data into the computer's memory. You can give any name for the variable. For example, I'm going to give a variable name of num1 for decimal, num2 for int, and name for string. Finally, you need to put a semicolon at the end of each statement. The data is written in case sensitive. For example, the first letter of string is written in uppercase and the rest of the data is written in lowercase. A variable cannot have spaces and must be unique. There are other data you can use to develop a program. To find out information about other data, click on the link located on the description box. Now, the next step you need to do is to give a value for the variable. You can give any value for the variable. There are 2 methods to do this. Now, the first method, you can give a value like this, or you can give it like this. But you can only use one of the method. So I'm gonna remove this. The variable for num1 is not equivalent to 5. We are informing to Java to store the value of 5 into a variable called num1. Now write any value for the rest of the variable using one of the methods that I have shown you. Now for string, you'll always have to open the quotation mark and then put any value. In the next video tutorial, I'll show you how to display the value on the Windows terminal, which is right over here.